These are the top 7 funniest car mods ever. First up, bro really ordered his entire car straight from Roblox. On the back with fishes.
Holy shit, I got a fountain. I just walked up to it. I got fucking fish.
At number 3, when dreams outrun the budget.
Got the goddamn Lamborghini. What the fuck? What the fuck is this? What the fuck? Got the goddamn Lamborghini wagon. What the fuck?
Next, I think Diddy just got some serious competition. At number 5, pressing the brakes will make her instantly regret every life decision.
No cap, I'm about to drive this car with a folding chair. Watch this.
I just seen it. Just walk on the lavender stove. 1250. Only pay to get in the club.
Next, this is what automatic drivers think about manual cars.
No, no, la policía, no, porco Dios, no, figlio di puttana, no.
And finally, at number 7, the final boss of car mods. And that's it for today's episode. Hope you had a good laugh. Don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more car chaos.